So guys, it's my first YouTube video, TikTok video, whatever video you want to call this. But we out here. We out here. Got the chest mount. Got it on Temu. Yeah, we're just gonna see how this works. Hopefully I get some. Make it worthwhile. But yeah, I'm just starting the channel. Fishing content, mostly. Only, hopefully. It's kind of hot. I just came out just so I can try these new lures I got. Nothing crazy. Just kind of a Temu fucking variety pack. Little bird. What am I doing wrong, y'all? I was getting bites over the other day. Getting nothing but rocks. That's wonderful. Just gonna keep working these shade lines. Hopefully something come out and play, you know what I'm saying? It's all fun and games. Oop. Nah, it's just well, how about we not do that? Yeah, how about we not do that? Cause nicks and shit in the line. How about we not do that? We not break our rod tip too. That'll definitely help. It's the right color, like yellowish orange. It just rained yesterday. It was a little muddy, you know what I mean? But guess not. Ooh, yeah. Break your ankle. That's the way to go. I was really hoping to find a jig head. I'm really hoping. I get a chance to make it to the store to get any. But I need a little faster moving water over this way. Yo, they just chilling over there. Look at them birds. Is that a sign we should go over that way? We got a tree pounder. Yes, sir. Hopefully when I rewatch it, it's just some like fire content. I was gonna try to use turkey bacon to get some catfish, just for the hell of it, because it was old in the fridge, but I don't know about that idea. It just kept falling off the hook. Give me something. Give me a little largie or a Somali. Something. Y'all be along this edge bank. I see y'all popping up. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. I knew it felt different. I knew it felt a little different. Come here, big boy. You ate that motherfucker. Look at that hook set. Right in the top. Damn, you biting. Chill. It's a smallmouth. Yeah. Say hi. Be free. Well, there goes that. Skunk off the board. Told you I'm working these edge lines. Hopefully there's another one just sitting in there. Like, I didn't feel the bottom scraping no more, and I was like, oh wait, there go a fish. I'll say another one from DJ Khaled. See, yeah, I'm on my DJ Khaled shit. We the best. Okay, so oh, that was a bite. Right there, it's crazy. Just took. Easy. Oh, motherfucker. He greedy as shit. You get my shitty rod because I have a $130 bait caster at home, but I don't trust myself. So I like to use that over there at the ponds. You know what I mean? It's, being broke right now is not the moves to be breaking your rods, especially when you love fishing. So I got this. Got something. There we go. I got this shitty ass Ozark Trail. Only reason why it's shitty is because it's broken. It was my fault. It wasn't their fault. It was mine. Started yanking. I got snagged. You're not supposed to yank your poles. They do have breaking points. It's a $10 reel and a rod. Combo. Think about that. Oh, yeah, I mean, I gotta support the Iowa. Shaboing. Shaboing. But anyway, let's get these fish. Don't mind me breathing because my back is killing me, and I'm out here for y'all. And for these fish, you know what I mean? I'm out here supporting their mouths, making sure they're okay, making sure they're, you know, I'm eating okay, you know what I'm saying? Checking if they got variety in their eyes, you know what I'm saying? You want a worm with a curly tail on it? Go ahead. Nice and colorful. Yeah. Well, if that little guy ate it, then the Mondo's in here won't have to eat it. Wish I could go live out here, but my phone's off. Oh, was that a bite? No, it's bottom. Okay. I cast back out here again, real faster so you don't hit the bottom. Maybe get some of them, maybe rock bass or something. And I do got crawls. Don't even get me started. Bass love crawfish. Now, to be real, you a bass, right? You see a worm, okay, a little snack. Crawfish, pinch it a little more, but that's a meal. Let's do it. This don't look juicy, bro. Look at this tree, shade, a nice breeze. A big thick boy walking over. And me. Don't clip that. Please don't. Well, thought that was a fish. I mean something. Yes, sir. I got a fabric you. Only native in the dirt. The rivers. There's fucking dirt everywhere. Let's do that. Let's do that. I know it's a little fucked up. You gotta understand. We broke. We broke, man. I hear his noises. I don't play this. I'd be crazy out here. What I gotta do is be doped off of stupid shit. I wanna go. Little drifts, little switches here and there. It won't come to me. Shit not gonna come to you. Snag pounder. Oh, yeah. Good. Going in focus. I got the credit back in it. Let's order some more. Only sucky part is gotta retie. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my damn. So legit. Legit. I I try those crawfish just for the fuck of it. Maybe here's my size.